Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to fix Tinder messages not sending. Alright, let's begin. First, make sure you have a stable internet connection. After that, open the Settings app on your mobile device and a bunch of available features will be displayed. You just need to enable and then disable the airplane mode to connect to the nearest tower in order to get the strongest signals. Also, try switching over to a different internet connection and see if that helps in solving the problem. Next, you just need to open the Settings app and get to the General tab. Inside it, access iPhone storage and then locate Tinder. You can then try offloading the app and then reinstalling the app. If the problem still persists, get to the shutdown feature inside General and then restart your device. At last, the last thing you can try is removing the app and then reinstalling a fresh version from the App Store or Play Store. You can do that by getting to the app and long pressing on it. After that, select Remove from the menu and then delete the app. So that's basically how you can fix Tinder messages not sending. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.